Okay, we have a Hardinge Tool Room Precision Engine Lathe, model HLV-H, serial number HLV-H-15475-T. This machine was new in 2000 and we had it reconditioned in 2025. We had the bed reground and new tersite put underneath the carriage and the tailstock and everything leveled out to zero. We're gonna run it for you. Machine has a built-in 5C collar closer, nose piece. He's running right now in the low RPM range. Machine goes from 125 up to 3,000 RPM. Spindle is super quiet. That's the high range. Beautiful. He's feeding, which is variable. You have a 2-axis new all digital readout. That's the rheostat, change direction, and variable. Okay. Crossfeed. Again, it's variable. You can see on the digital readout that's moving and changing speed of it and changing direction of it. All right. The DRO is inch-end metric. That's the cam to pull it out for threading. That's your tailstock, which has a Jacobs drill chuck on it, 5/8 capacity, number 2 Morse taper. The tool post is a KDK quick change. We also have holders with it. He's engaged the lead screw and we're threading. And he has lead screw reverse. There you go. It's great. Machine, all the functions work. Again, this bed has been reground, so it is perfect. You have a 5-inch 3-jaw chuck with it, and you have some tool post holders, quick change holders, and we have some collets. Oh, and you also have a live center. Yep, there you go. Great. Thank you.